What's up guys, Kingsley here. Today we're going to be playing Build-A-Boat, but I'm going to show you my airplane and three block airplane. So let's just start off with the 3 blocks. By the way, you have to have one of these, this, of course, a jet, and any seat. Could be any. So first you want to place your seat and then grab your jet. Put it up here. You're supposed to like put it over here, yeah. And then grab your 3 hinge. Okay. Done. And then attach it with your seat. And then just click launch. But if you don't want to and then you don't, freak. Okay. Wait. What the Sigma? Put it in the middle. Remember to do it in the middle. And then, boop. And then, what? And then you. I did it wrong. Oh, I realized. That one sucks. You actually you have to have the seat. Because this one lets you turn. And that's very sad. So, yeah. How do you get this seat? You have to buy it with, I think, the wheels pack. Pretty sure the wheels pack. And then launch. Yeah, this one lets you move. Recommend getting the wheels pack, I think. And then if you want to land, just click the button again. Kaboom! Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys my airplane that I've been working on a very long time already. This big boy, bro. This guy. Look at him. Really ugly, but I added these buttons, self-destruct. You know what that is. By the way, I did not use a YouTube tutorial. I made this myself. I used these pistons to keep them stable. Freak. Yo! Wait. If you guys want a tutorial, I will, but it's gonna be probably very long. And then this one, this makes you go up. This one moves the whole plane. it's an engine. This one's same thing with a different engine. And then okay. Oh, fuck. Okay. So this is the interior. The backpack is the economy. And by the way, you see these landing gears over here? There's so much pistons holding it. And then press this button. The landing gears get like stuck. You see? They ain't moving. Before they would be moving like crazy. Press this again. They come back up and then yeah, like that. Really cool. YouTube. And then boom. Pop. Fly to the end now. Let's go. I made so much planes and they all sucked. Like all my planes sucked when I made one. Like they all ended up not working at all. This one actually works, bro. Like what the hell? Launch boat. Oh, holy shit! I'm gonna press the self-destruct at the end. Okay, I'm cool. Ah! I need to go back to economy. If you didn't know, economy is the most safest place in the plane. Economy. You know what? They should just add first class in the back and then economy in the back, like in the front. What the heck? Oh wait, I forgot I put a dynamite. Oh shit. I mean, it's alright. At least got a lot of gold. So the glitch is basically, I think everyone knows about it. Grab a rod. You can use any material, but I most likely prefer gold or wood. Don't use anyone, like anything else. And then you want to grab a hinge. Put it up here. And then grab butter. Only one. And then unanchor. By the way, I recommend using unanchor like that. And then take off. Holy shit. Gold. If you have gold, I put 2 butter blocks on top of the butter block. Whee! Ah! Well, that's it for today's video. See you tomorrow, I guess.